little friends. Today, we're going to explore a very important job, being a doctor. Are you ready? Let's find out together. Doctors help people when they are sick or injured. They check patients, prescribe medicine, and even perform surgeries to help people get better. Some doctors work in hospitals, some in clinics, and others research new ways to cure diseases. To become a doctor, we need to study science subjects like biology and chemistry. Then, we must go to medical school for many years to learn about the human body and how to treat illnesses. Doctors also need a lot of practice to gain experience. To be a great doctor, we need kindness, patience, and good communication skills to listen to patients. Doctors also need to be careful and skillful when performing surgeries or treatments. As doctors, we can help many people recover from illness and live healthier lives. Doctors can also research and discover new treatments to save millions of lives around the world. Being a doctor is an amazing job. Do you want to be a doctor in the future? Study hard and always be kind. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to discover more exciting careers.